Hello, we are happy to welcome to the fifth lesson of scaffolding. My name is Habineza Michel.
And I am Habimana Gabriel Devot. We are both trainers at Ranger Activate School.
In the previous video, we saw how to build a platform.
Let's do guardrail system and moving scaffolding.
Enjoy the lesson.
Hello everyone, I'm Benny Katabisi, the Carpentry trainer at Ranger Activate School. Today I will come into the fifth session of making wooden scaffolding. The objective of this session is that at the end of this video, you will be able to produce in a proper way the guardrail system. The second objective is that you will be able to produce properly the moving system which is strong and secure. I encourage you to follow attentively and record the key steps so that when you want to do it in the future, you will be supported.
Our scaffolding, as always, must have a guiding rail. Here we are having our top guiding rail. But what if we need to move our platform on a bit higher level? Means as we're having the two transoms, then we put our platform there. It will be anxious to be working on such a height. That's why we need to add an adjustable guide rail upright. Means we are having a frame. We are going to construct a frame which can be adjustable on any height that is needed.
As usual, you have to prepare the work pieces on the final dimensions. It is more advisable to do a double check before cutting all the pieces. Otherwise, you may risk to have short pieces. Then if it is okay, cut all of the pieces. Always cut the pieces on sizes as planned on wood catalog. You have first to cut off the first edge grain to make sure that you are having a squared edge. Now it is time to connect together the guiding rail system. Check if the connected parts fit with the position, and if there is something to correct, do it before connecting all the pieces together. Mark and drill the mounting holes which will be used as guiding rail system applied adjustment. After drilling the holes, then mount the guide rail system to check if it will really help or it will support.
And be patient.
The guide rail applied have got some holes which will help us or which will help the user to adjust the guide rail system to the needed height.
As now you can see, our guide rail applied is means based on the holes that we bored, we can move it or we can adjust it on any height depending on the position of the platform. This is now a bit secure, more secure than not to have it.
A part of a guide rail system, now the next step is to produce moving part system. The moving part system normally is separate from our tower. As it is separate from our tower, then it has to be strong in itself. This moving system is only needed when we have to shift or to move the tower from one position to another position on the same construction.
Hope you enjoyed the lesson.
Once again, we have learned a lot from this.
As usual, you can find this video on the e-learning website of Rwanda Polytechnic for more repetition.
We welcome you again for the next session.
Until then, stay safe and
Goodbye.